It's recording right now.
It is?
Yep.
You got the two bolts pulled on the bottom? We're almost out. We're not out. We have don't walk in front of this fucker. Those bolts get pulled.
Hey, smile, Dennis. Here's Dennis Walker in the Special Olympic tree stand destruction. Special Olympics tree stand.
Where's that claw hammer? Here, give me that hammer.
Special Olympics #1. Take 2.
I would maybe pull from an angle and not straight out in front of it.
I wouldn't pull it out. I'd put it on a quad. You get out of the way.
Hold on a second. I got another bolt skip. Don't pull both. I'm going to get this cable so you both pull it.
Come on, I don't want to videotape anybody's death here. I'll have to erase it.
I don't know. I think these cables are long enough, though.
All right, go down.
I'd hook it to the just the back of the quad. Here it comes. Hold on. Woo! Friggin' awesome. There goes the playhouse.
Alright, where's the coons at?
Ain't no coons in there.
That's pretty cool.
That's awesome. And who built this house?
Did you video that?
They huffed and they puffed and they tore it all asses down. No pigs for that. We're building the next one in bricks.
All right, now